Hello kids, how are you? Yes, this is Shipra again with my new activity. But what is the activity? Should I tell you? Okay, so I'm going to show you something today. Okay, all ready? I'm going to show you something today. You have to tell me what we are going to do. Or I should be a little more precise, you are little ones, that what shape we are going to use to do our craft today. Okay, should I show you something? Okay, this is one thing. This is another thing. So, start writing in the comment box. Kids, quickly write it in the comment box. What do you think? What shape we are going to do today? So, I've showed you this and I've showed you this. Quickly write it in the comment box. Okay, some of my kids are still joining and some have started writing the answers. Very good. I'm not going to disclose it right now. I feel most of you are correct. Wonderful. Great. Awesome. Yes. So those who have just now joined, I have asked a question. I am showing a thing today and I'm asking which shape we are going to use to do our craft today. Okay, keep on writing. Perfect. No, I'm not going to tell you right now. Before I start and before I tell you which shape it is, you all know I never start my session. Yes? We always have little fun? Okay. So, come everyone. Let's have some fun. Come everyone. Let's have some fun. Let us laugh. Let us laugh and do some craft and do some craft. Let us paint our own canvas. Let us paint our own canvas because this is your favorite yellow class. Yes, my dear kids. So I, Shipra, on behalf of yellow class, welcome you for a nice craft activity related to a shape. And as most, or I should say everybody has guessed it right, we are doing a circle today. Yes. So we are doing a circle today. So should we start? Okay, great. So let me show you what we are going to do today. Kids, we have to be very slow while cutting, okay? So let us just move to our workstation and see what we are going to make today, okay? So you can see we are going to make a face of a teddy bear, okay? So we have used different sizes for the circle. So what all things do we need is you can get a medium size plate for the face of the teddy bear for this bigger circle. Any other thing which is little smaller for you, it can be a bowl, a box, anything for a smaller circle like this. These smaller ones I have used for the eyes. Okay. So this one I have reduced in size, or I can use the cap of my black marker, or you can use the lid of any of the bottles. So just quickly get different sizes so that you can make the face of the teddy bear. And for this, I have taken this size. So I've taken four different sizes of objects to make this circle. This is what we need basically, first of all. Then we need a black color sheet. A white is also good with me. I don't mind if you have a white. I am using a black color sheet. And for the face, this time I'm using a bright blue color. It's a thin sheet. This one is a thick sheet. Okay. For the nose and for the earlobes, we are taking a small white color sheet. So we will be cutting from it. This was an A4 size sheet which was left from my previous craft. Okay, so we have everything till now and a small portion of black color sheet for the eyes and for the nose. Okay, for the eyes and the nose, I have taken this black color sheet only. This is what we need in the paper material. Then a black sketch pen or a thick marker. If I am good with a thin marker also, anyone can do. My blunt scissor, as I tell you, that dear kids, as you are small, we cannot play with the sharp things. So the blunt scissor, our glue, without glue, we cannot do our craft. Okay. So a pencil to draw. I will be doing it first with the pencil and then with a dark black sketch pen. This is all what we need. So just look at your workstation. Do you have everything? You have 4 different sizes for the circle and all your material, your glue, your scissor, the pencil. Just quickly have a look, kids. And the moment you are ready, you have to show me thumbs up or write a yes in the comment box quickly. Okay, so I have got lot many thumbs up. Yes, they are coming. People are saying yes. So I think we are all set to start our craft for today, which is a teddy bear face. Okay, so should we move ahead, kids? Perfect. Sure. So what we will do, we will first of all cut the bigger size. Okay, so for the bigger size, we are taking this blue color just now for this and this. Okay, we will cut it from one corner. Just take your plate, the bigger plate you have, and draw a circle. So we'll go slow, kids. Draw a circle. Just hold this plate of yours very stiff, tightly, and then draw the circle. So are we through? Yes, we are. Yes. Okay. I'm showing it again with my black marker that I have used this plate to draw my circle. Okay. And then we are going to cut it. But before that, what we are going to do, we are even going to cut these bigger ears. Okay. Not the inner ears, the smaller ones, the outer ear lobes. So for the outer ear lobes, what I have taken this. Okay. So what I will do, I will fold my paper like this so that I get 2 ears together. I will fold my paper like this. Whatever your size is, just place that smaller size object on this by folding it. And now you can draw the circle so that you get 2 ears together. So should we move ahead? Perfect. So I will be using my sketch pen again to draw the circle. So this way I will be getting 2 ears together of the same size. So kids, are we through till here? Perfect. You can show me a thumbs up. Any queries, you can put it in the chat box, please, in the comment box, please. Okay, so now we will just start cutting our stuff. Okay. So as I have told you, we are going to take this blunt scissor and we'll go slow. Now, whenever we are cutting a circle, it should be too slow. Okay. So hold it like this. I'm cutting the ears first. And while you are moving, just rotate your paper also slowly and slowly. So this will make your things easy. Don't hold your paper at one place. Start moving, you're rotating your paper also little bit, slowly and slowly. on that outer line only. Okay, so even you can see that I am going pretty slow. So you also have to be slow. Okay, are we able to do it? Perfect, awesome. Go slow, kids. So our two ears are ready. Yes, I'm keeping it apart. Now I'm cutting this. Yes, so after cutting this slowly, we'll move to this and then we'll move ahead, but we will go slow. So this is our face now. So go very slow and your circle will come out very beautiful. Even you can see I'm going very slow. Yes. So we are able to do it. Awesome. Great. Wonderful. So our circle, the face is ready. Yes. So we'll keep the paper aside. Now we'll just see if we need little trimming. I am doing a little trimming of my circle if needed. If it's not needed, please don't do it. Okay, so this is our face also. I hope till here it is easy. Have you cut it? Are you able to cut kids? Okay, fine. Should we move ahead? Sure, perfect. Now we'll take this white color. Okay, so for white, I will take a bigger circle. Okay, so this was the biggest. Then we had the medium one for which we have used for the ears, and this is little bigger than the biggest one. Okay, so we will again draw. Okay, so this is our this round part. Perfect. Again, I will draw it with a black color sketch pen so that it's visible nicely. Okay, so this is my this part. Now I have to make these earlobes, the inside earlobes. For inside earlobes, I have taken this one as my outer cutting. Now I will just rotate it like this and I will draw a circle here. So this one I am using as my inner circles, okay, for the ears. So I'm drawing that also. So again, kids, for this also, just fold your sheet like this, and so that you get two cuttings together. So what I have done, I have just taken my sheet, I have folded it like this, and I will draw. So whenever you are drawing a circle, just take care that you hold your object very tightly so that it doesn't move. Okay. Now I will draw the black line. Okay. So hold it nicely. And we will cut it. So this round is little uneven. I will try and cut it slowly and slowly nicely. So we'll again go slow, and this way we'll get 2 ears, inner ears also. Okay, so this is my inner ears. Are we through till here? I'm waiting for you. If you have any queries, please put it on the chat box. Please go slow. You will be able to do it. Okay. Just follow the outline. Hold your scissor properly. Start rotating your sheet and you will be fine with the things. You can do it nicely. Cutting a circle is not difficult. We just have to go very, very, very slow. Yes. So now I'm cutting this round mouth part. Okay. Very slow. Just rotate your sheet along with your scissor. So you can see I'm rotating it. Yes. So I'm rotating it along with my scissor. The moment I reach to a particular point where I feel that it is difficult to cut, the moment you feel that, just rotate your sheet and you will be able to do it. Okay. So this is our inner portion. Fine. Till now we have done our bigger circle, the biggest, the face, then the white color, the mouth part, then the earlobes. So I've taken the earlobes like this. This will go inside and we'll stick it like this. Okay. So we have done this. Perfect. And now the eyes are left. So for the eyes, I have taken a lid of a small bottle, and for the nose also. Okay. So should we move ahead, kids? Perfect. Till here you have cut all your sheets. Any problems, do ask us. I am again repeating it. Just hold your scissor properly. When you are cutting, go slow. Follow the outline and keep rotating your sheet also. So you can see you will be able to do it. Okay. So this is the trick. Now should I cut the black eyes and the nose? Okay, perfect. So I've taken this and I will take this pencil of mine and will draw a circle. So it's not visible. Wait. So this is basically the nose. And for the eyes, again, we will just fold it like this so that we get two pieces together. And earlier, my positioning was like this. Now my positioning is like this. Hold it nicely and draw the circle. So is it clear, kids? We will cut the eyes together. And this is my nose. So first I will slowly and slowly cut the eyes so that I get two eyes together. So again, I'm telling you, go slow and start rotating your paper with your scissor movement. Go very slow. Okay. So we have got the eyes also. Now we have to cut this nose. Should I move ahead? Our eyes are also there. The eyes of the teddy bear are here. Okay. Now I'm going to cut the nose. Go very slow. Rotate your sheet when you are moving. So your hands should also help the paper to move in a round like this. And our nose is also ready. So if you feel some here and there is there, you can just do little trimming. As I told you, we have to just go slow, and little here and there is fine. We all are learning, yes? Are we through till here? Should I wait for you? Do you want me to repeat any of the steps? Okay, I am slowly going to tell what I have done. I have taken a blue color sheet, and with the help of different objects, I have drawn circles. This is for the bigger one, the face. This was for this white part like this. So I've taken a white sheet for this. This one, we have taken this size, and I have cut the blue color only. And this part of the side, this side of my bowl, I have taken the white color for inside, the inside earlobes. Perfect. Till now it's clear. And I have slowly and slowly cut it. I have drawn it, and slowly I have cut it. This small cap of a bottle I have taken for my eyes. Eyes I have taken this. Sorry, eyes I have taken this part like this. I've drawn it like this. Okay, on a black sheet. And for nose, I have taken little bigger size. So I have turned it upside down. Okay, so this we have done, and we have slowly cut it. Okay, now we will stick our part. So are we through, kids? Should I move ahead? Yes? Okay, so my little one says, yes, it's quite easy. We are able to do it. That's great. So as I tell you every time, just place your things first, all your cuttings first, and then start sticking later on. Okay. So this is like this. Okay, perfect. This is the nose. Okay. This is the eyes. And these are the ears. So I have kept the bigger ones. And then I have pushed in half of the white ones. So we have cut a circle only, and I have just pushed in the portion inside. And you see, we are almost ready to stick our things. Have you placed it like this? Okay, perfect. Yes, I cannot ask you to show me because it will be difficult. All things will fall down. So don't show me. Just see, have you placed all your things like this? Perfect. Awesome. So let us just start sticking. So first of all, we will stick this nose. So nicely apply glue. And if you have extra glue, next step will be, we will be sticking the eyes. So I have used my extra glue for the eyes also. Perfect. And this is my nose. Now here only I will not remove my eyes too much. I will apply glue. Okay, and we'll stick the eyes. Is it fine, kids? Are we able to do it? Great. So now we'll stick this white part. Okay, so for this white part, just hold it like this. Apply glue on the outer ring of the circle first, and then little bit on the inside part, and you can stick it. Once this is done, we will move to the other side of this nose. So this we have done. Now this. So you can see I always try and not to pick up my pieces of paper, because then it will destroy or it will deteriorate or it will disturb the positioning of the face or the things or the papers. So I try and stick it exactly at the same position. Yes. Now we'll stick the face, half of it. We'll not stick this top. We are just sticking this top. So I'm repeating it again, kids. We have stick the nose first. Then we have stick the eyes. Just pulling it like this, same way we have done this. Now we have to stick the teddy bear, but we are not going to touch this part first. We will just hold our teddy bear like this, and we will apply and glue in the inner ring inside this half of the circle. So those who are comfortable with glue can use glue, and those who are comfortable with glue stick, I always tell you, use glue stick. That's less messy. Okay, and little on this part also, and we'll stick. So we have sticked half of our teddy bear from here also. Okay, now it will not move from its position, and the placing of our ears will be easy. Now just see, is it fine? Yes. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just remove the white parts first. We'll remove it, yes. Okay, we'll remove the white parts first and place the blue ones. Perfect. We'll stick the blue ones first. So blue ones, how we are going to do it, we'll just apply, pull it out a little bit. Don't remove it from its position. And apply glue like this. Okay, same way. Don't pull it from its position. Just apply glue inside. So you can see I have not removed the ears from its position. I have just sticked it exactly at the same point. So this will not change the shape of your. Okay. Now we'll stick the white part. So we are almost through with this. We have left it like this only. No worries about this. Place your white part like this. Half inside and half outside. So you got it like this. Okay. And now we will stick this also. So for sticking this also, I am not pulling it apart. I am just applying the glue there and then itself. Same way here also, don't pull it apart. Just apply glue like this and stick it like this. Now just see. Now we'll just apply glue on the whole portion like this. We have to nicely apply glue because we have not stick the ears, the down part of the ears. So that will stick with the help of our glue on the face and this portion, and then press it. And you can see our teddy bear is ready. You want to do the outline? Good enough. You can do the outline. Okay. That's your wish. So this is how our teddy bear is ready. So is it easy, kids? Have you made it? Quickly show me. Was cutting difficult? Yes? Little, yeah? Okay, I hope you have liked it. And now, should we move ahead to our next craft? Yes, we are going to do our next craft, which is again related to the same shape, that is the circle. So let's see what we are going to make next. So let us just clean our workstations and see what all things do we need. So yes, here is what we are going to make now. Yes, my dear friends, a crab. And it's quite simple. Yes, it is. So let's see what all things do we need. I have taken a red color here. Here I will be taking a bright orange color. So whatever color you have or you want to use, you can use that. Okay. And we need a black sketch pen. A thin or a thick black sketch pen is good. Something to draw these shapes. So again, what I am doing, I am going to use this as for the body and these two, this one for the, yes, for those things, or you can say those where it has got their poison, that big stings. Okay, those things we are going to use this. We need two googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, no issues, you can make it. And as I told you, a black circle, a pencil to draw the sizes, glue definitely, scissor, and definitely a white sheet to stick our stuff. Okay, so a white sheet to stick our stuff. So let us just start our things. Should we move ahead? Just check you have everything on your workstation, kids. Awesome, great. So here we go. First of all, I will fold my paper like this. Okay, and I will just cut it randomly, or I will do the magic. Yes, you know in my magic. Yes, I don't use a paper cutter. I use my, yes. So this is magic now. You have tried it. Okay. So I will just reduce it into a half. Fine. We will, so what I have taken an A4 sheet. First, you can even reduce it to half and then fold it like this. Okay. And then give one more fold like this. So by this, we will be getting the 2 plus 2, 1 and 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2. So 4 circles for the stings. Okay, so I am keeping this smaller bowl of mine here and I will draw the circle. So we are making this crab. You can use any color and this is quite simple. This is my circle. I will be using my sketch pen again to show it nicely. Okay, this is one thing. We'll cut it. And this portion, we just need little portion of this. So we'll just hold it nicely. Every time when you are using any object to draw a circle, Just hold it nicely. And this will be the body of our crab. Okay. And we will cut both our circle, the smaller ones, the with the sting from which we are going to make the sting, and one which we are going to make the body. So let us just start, kids. Go slow, as I told you last time when we were making the teddy bear face. Start rotating the paper with your scissor. Okay, go slow, cut it. And the mantra is that you have to rotate your paper so that it makes your work easy and smooth. If I will hold it like this and will not move, then for me cutting the circle will be difficult. I can cut it, but it is difficult. But the moment I rotate it, it makes my thing very smooth and easy. So this is our body of the crab. We are keeping this paper aside. This is one thing. Now we are going to cut 4 circles by just cutting one round because we have folded our sheet like this. Yes? So should we start? Are we through with this? Done? Sure? Okay, great. So let us just cut this one. Hold your sheet again properly. Go slow. Very slow. Keep rotating. Very, very slow. Very good. Great. Good, good. Very good. My kids are doing great. Wonderful. Slow, very slow. Keep rotating. Very, very, very slow. And so we have got the 4 circles for the stings also. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically our cutting part is over. So are we through with this? Sure. Should we move ahead? Okay, let me just quickly tell you. We are making this crab, and for this crab, I have taken an orange color sheet where with the help of this object, I have drawn the bigger circle, which is the body. Okay, and then I have cut it. Then what I did, I have taken a sheet of mine, folded it like this 4 times. Okay, like this. I've taken a bigger sheet and folded it 4 times. This is 2 times. I have folded it this way, like 4 times. I have kept this smaller circle or my smaller object on this and drawn the circle and have taken 4 pieces of the same size together. Slowly and slowly, by rotating my paper also, I have cut it. So now I have 4 circles for the stings and 1 for the body. This is what we have done to make our crab. Okay. So should we move ahead, kids? Sure. Okay. So we'll keep our sheet here. As I every time tell, place your things like this. Okay. But this time, before placing our things, I'm sorry, what we have to do, we just have to fold it from the center like this. So fold your circle like this and give a proper pinch like this. So press it nicely. 1, 2, 3. So what I have done, I have just taken this one piece, folded it completely like this in 2 halves and pressed it nicely like this. 3. And this is my fourth one. Now we'll start sticking. So first we'll stick this like this. So on one over the other, we are going to stick it. I have not placed my things right now. So first we are doing this small sticking part. Make it in a form of a V like this. Is it clear, kids? So I have sticked it. This portion I have left open on both the sides. I have just sticked both these portions. So again, I'm showing you, I have holded my circles like this. These are now semicircles, folded circles, you can say. And I have just placed one over the other. We can see a V is coming out. This flap is open and it will remain open. Perfect. Is it clear? Should I stick this and show you once again? Okay. Now this flap is open and I have just applied little glue at this corner. Even this flap is open, yes? And we'll just stick it like this, making a V kind of a thing. And we'll leave it for some time to stick. Now we'll place our circle like this and we will stick the body. So we'll apply glue. Okay, so we have stick the body. Now we'll take our black sketch pen and we'll draw these parts. Yes. So first of all, we'll draw 2 11s on the top. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Fine. 2 11s. And then we'll draw the legs. So for the legs, draw a straight line and then a slanting line. Then again a straight line and then a slanting line. Then again a straight line and then a slanting line. Same way here. A straight line and then a slanting line. A straight line and then a slanting line. Same way here, a straight line and a slanting line. So this we have done till here. Now again a straight line like this and you can say a L. So we are making an L this way. And this way. So we have made a L. Now we will just stick this and this. Like this. And the googly eyes here. And our spider is almost ready. So let me just quickly stick the googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you know how to make it. Yes, take a small. So, yes, kids, I did a mistake. Do you know what mistake I did? Yes, I called it a spider by mistake. So I mean to say our crab is ready. Okay. So once our crab is almost ready, we are just pasting these googly eyes. So if you don't have a googly eye, what you can do, you can take a sheet of paper, draw a circle and then put a dot on it. So let me just stick my googly eyes to my, yes, spider. No, 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 my crab. Okay, so we'll stick our googly eyes here and our googly eyes here. Okay, and then we'll stick this also. So just apply glue at the corner again and stick it like this. So this way our crab is ready. It's quite simple. What I have done, I've taken one color sheet. I've got a bigger circle and four smaller circles together of little smaller size. So this was my bigger circle, this object. And for the stings, I have taken this as my other object. Then I have just cut a circle, the bigger circle on a A4 size sheet. Any color is good with me. And then I have folded my paper, the A4 size sheet, leftover paper, into four parts, and I have cut this circle together. Okay, so four pieces of smaller circle I have taken together. Then I have simply this way folded my sheet into half like this. Okay, all my four sheets half like this, and then I have sticked it on top of each other. And then we have drawn this, and this is the way our beautiful crab is ready. So I hope your crab is also ready. Yes, so your teddy bear and your crab both are ready. So this is what I made today with the two shapes, the circles. Now, just quickly tell me how you have made it. Show me quickly. So this is my crab and this is my blue teddy bear. What about yours? Quickly show me, kids. Quickly. Yes, okay. So was cutting a circle difficult? No, you can do it now. So you know the mantra. And I can see a pink color teddy bear. Wow, that's looking pretty. Awesome. Everybody has done a fabulous job. So you have cut circles slowly, following the thing that we should rotate the paper also when we are cutting. So I hope the instructions were clear. I can see all of you have done a wonderful job. Hope the instructions were not too fast. You were able to follow it. If you have any problem, you can just ask in the comment box. Definitely we'll answer. Let us know how you have liked it and hope that you have enjoyed this session. I am seeing beautiful teddy bears and a nice pretty crabs. So my kids are really very creative. Now it's time to say, yes, it's time to say bye. But you all know to come with new sessions, new fun-filled, loving sessions, I have to go. Because if I will go, then only I can come back again. Yes or no, my kids? So till then, keep practicing, cutting circles and doing lots and lots of craft. Till then, take care. Love you all. Thank you.